Currencies. In Soho Books, you can maintain foreign currencies. In this video, we will discuss how to add, remove currencies, link currencies to contacts such as customers and vendors, set home currency, and exchange rate fields. You can navigate to Currencies section from Settings, select Currencies under Organization. By default, system has several currencies, and by clicking this New Currency button, you can add new currency to the system. From this drop-down menu, you can select your currency. System will display the currency symbol and currency name. You can select how many decimal places you required, 0, 2 or 3. You can select the format and you can save this currency. Newly created currency will add to the list. If you want to remove any currency, you can select this currency and click delete button. Like that, you can add or remove currency. In the currency list, you can view the currency name and currency symbol. In addition to that, you can see base currency in the currency list. You can set the base currency from profile. When you are implementing the system, you can set the base currency. After you set the base currency, you cannot change the base currency. And if you want to delete or if you want to change the currency, you need to delete. If you have entered any transactions, you need to delete all transactions. Therefore, when you set the base currency, please carefully check and set the base currency. Now we have created currencies and we will check how to link currencies to the contacts such as customers and vendors. You can go to Sales and select Customers, create new customer. Here you can enter the name, scroll down and you can see currency section available. From this currency drop down menu, you can select the required currency. After you select the currency, system will display the exchange rate, and if you want to enter the opening balance, and you can change the exchange rate by clicking this pencil mark, edit the exchange rate. You can edit the exchange rate. After that, you can save this customer. Likewise, you can create vendors. Go to purchasers, select vendors, click new button, enter the name, you can see the currency drop down menu. You can select the currency and system will display the exchange rate. You can enter opening balance if you have, and if you want you can change this exchange rate and save the customer. Like that, you can link currencies to the customers and vendors. Next, we will discuss how to display that exchange rate in the customer and vendor transactions. We'll enter invoice, go to invoices, click new button, select customer. After you select the customer, system will display the related currency for this customer, and system will display the exchange rate. If you change the exchange date, invoice date, system will change the exchange rate. Right, like that you can select customer and you can invoice for the customer. After you select any foreign customer, system will display the exchange rate and all the pricing will display in customer's currency. In this case, system will display prices in AED. We can enter vendor bill, select the vendor. When you select the vendor, system will display the exchange rate, and you can select items. Now system will display pricing in vendor's currency. For this bill, system will display in all prices in euro. Like that, you can link, or you can invoicing, or you can enter bills in customers or vendors currency. Next we will go again to currencies section. Now when you are entering bills or invoices, system will automatically display the exchange rate. That is because we have enabled the exchange rate fields. If you want to enter manually the exchange rate, you can select this display exchange rate fields and disable the exchange rate fields. After that, you can manually add the exchange rate. You can select the currency and click edit. From here you can select date and you can enter the exchange rate. Like that, you can add exchange rates. To manually add the exchange rate, you can select view exchange rate, and by clicking this add exchange rate, so if you enter exchange rate from here, it will apply for all the transaction in particular date. However, if you want to change the exchange rate for particular transaction, when you enter the bill or invoice, from here also you can edit the exchange rate. By clicking this pencil mark, you can change the rate, and you can tick recalculate item prices based on this rate. like that. You can add or delete new currencies. You can link currencies to the customers and vendors. You can link foreign currencies to transactions, and you can set exchange rates. And after you enter transactions in customers or vendors currency, when you generate each analysis report, you can get in customers and vendors currencies also. Here you can add receivables in FCY. FCY is foreign currency. You can see that system will display in home currency and foreign currency like that. If you have enabled or if you use foreign currencies, you can generate the aging reports in base currency or foreign currencies. Payable report also you can generate from vendors currency and base currency. Here you can view the base currency and here foreign currency. Like that you can add or remove currencies, link to contacts, set exchange rate, and you can generate reports in foreign currencies.